What's up everybody? In this video we're going to be looking at Terawulf, ticker symbol WULF. And the big boys have been loading up on this one. We're going to take a look at that. We're also going to look at the chart and a few other details as well. So if you want more Terawulf videos, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Check out the links down below for some free stocks and cryptos. And let's take a look at Terawulf. And first off, going over their previous mining update, the one in May, they did mention that they're going to be getting up to 5.5 exahash, nearly doubling the size of their existing operations at the time. And they were true to their word. In their June mining update, they did increase their hash rate by 25%, bringing it to 5.5 exahash. And I also wanted to add that in their June mining update, the Bitcoin that they sold was right around $10 million. Keep that number in your head. And I will be doing an upcoming video on what we should expect for their revenue, so stick around for that. But next up, let's look at tip ranks and see what the analysts think. Now we do have two 5-star analysts on this one. We had B. Riley with a $3 price target. We are already past that price target. And we also have this one from Northland Securities. This analyst is a 5-star analyst as well, and he is actually in the top 300 or so out of about 5,000 analysts. And he has Terawulf at a price target of 425. And conveniently, that price target is actually a resistance we're going to be looking at. But we'll get back to the chart in a little bit here. We also have a lot of institutional buyers loading up on Terawulf. We have Vanguard that now owns 2.2 million shares worth about 18 million, nearly $19 million after acquiring another 2.2 million. We also have BlackRock adding their stake in Terawulf by 107%, doubling up their stake. Now they own 3.6 million shares worth $3.3 million. Also, Van Eck added 154% to their current position. They now own 2.8 million shares. Exchange Traded Concepts LLC also added in the first quarter another $1.2 million. Geode Capital Management raised its holdings by nearly 300%, now owning 1.5 million shares, and hedge funds and other institutions own about 13% of the company's total stock. That's always a good sign to see the big boys loading up. They typically have a lot more resources than us smaller investors. Now let's take a look at the chart on Terawulf. We're going to go over some things to watch, some levels to watch, and also what they're expecting for revenue. And Terawulf has definitely gone through a lot of pain in 2022, but 2023 has been shaping out a lot better. We've seen our golden cross back in May, as with many Bitcoin miners, and this has recently just shot up. It is at a point of some consolidation, so on the downside, watch out for the psychological 3. If we break that, we may fall further. And as for the upside, watch a break of 4, and then a subsequent break of about 425, that previous analyst's price target. If we can break out of the 320s, I definitely see the possibility of it filling this gap around $7. Now for the quarter ending in June, they are expecting nearly $21 million, and in the June mining update, they pulled in almost half of that. Remember, there are 3 months in each quarter, and we're going to be looking deeper into that, and I'll give you my thoughts if they're going to hit this revenue, if they're going to miss it in an upcoming video. So look out for that. But we have seen very nice revenue growth with Terawulf. They've been increasing their hash rate. They've also been increasing their revenue. Last quarter was expected to be 15 million. They reported 11 million. The previous quarter before that, they were expecting 9.3 million. They pulled in 9.6 million. And before that quarter, they only pulled in nearly 4 million. They have some really huge revenue growth. And I do expect a lot more of that moving forwards as, of course, Bitcoin's price goes up and Terawulf's mining output goes up, their hash rate goes up. But let me know what you think about Terawulf. I definitely have a lot more to look at, but so far I really do like what I see. And as I've said in a previous video on Bitfarms, I think these smaller cap Bitcoin miners are going to outperform the larger ones. But we'll see if in time I'm proven right or wrong on that one. But thanks as always for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on a future video.